Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker, warmer and sterilizer, includes app with over 800 recipes, stainless steel, 6 quart. 7-in-1 functionality, pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan and food warmer. Quick one-touch cooking, 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts and more. Cook fast or slow, pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like grandma used to make. Quick and easy cleanup, fingerprint resistant, stainless steel sides, and dishwasher safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Safety features, includes over 10 safety features, plus overheat protection and safe locking lid. Great for growing families, cook for up to 6 people, perfect for growing families, or meal prepping and batch cooking for. Thanks for watching and subscribe.